Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's the first video I'm posting ever. I've been told I should have been doing this a long time ago, but the long story short, this is I'm working on a 2002 Yukon doing. So I'm going straight to the point on this one because there's already a lot of videos out there about this. The issue that I was having is that there was no sound after I hooked everything up. The videos that I watched said that you had to tap into this pink wire right here, and as you can see, someone had already done this. So I put a spade on the blue wire to connect it to this one, and I still wasn't getting any sound. So something told me to just try the harness has a blue wire for the power antenna. I put the amp cut on wire from the radio to the power antenna wire right here, and of course I've got sound now. So if you're having that problem, and you're putting power to this and you're still not getting any sound, just put your amp turn on wire connected to your power antenna wire from your wiring harness. Over and out.